Hi, this is Shannon with Blissful Honeymoons and Destination Weddings, and today I'm at Dreams Natura Resort and Spa, all ages, all-inclusive resort in the Riviera Maya, Mexico, which is about 20 minutes from the Cancun airport. We're going to start off a real quick vlog here in the lobby and speed walk our way through the first floor. If you want to see vlogs on the rest of the property, you can find those at Shan, S-H-A-N, Honeymoons on YouTube, or my website, travelbyblissful.com, or our company's website at blissfulhoneymoons.com. So if you are in the non-preferred club section, this is where you would check in when you arrive. And you'll be greeted with a fresh towel and welcome drink. For reference, Amstar tour operators are right here. So in the evening, got some bright sun here. In the evening, they have a lot of entertainment right here in the lobby. So last night, you can see our photo gallery for more pictures of this or some short video. But they had some singers here, and they were really lively, and a bunch of guests were just kind of all seated throughout here and having fun and interacting with the entertainment. Over to the left, we'll walk back here in a second, is where they have like their shows nightly, and it's kind of a unique setup how they have that. We'll go over that in a minute, but first we're going to go to my favorite place. At any Dreams property, you will find Coco Cafe, which is coffee, and an ice cream parlor in here as well. So you can go get your lattes any time of day. Okay, we've already have a whole bunch of video vlogs and photo galleries on everything down there. We're going to continue on to, right now we're on the lobby floor. So the first floor is a couple restaurants, the Market Cafe. Sidetracking again, if you're a preferred club, which I highly recommend booking this level at this property. You don't have to work with me to find out why, but this is the preferred club lounge. Morning. 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 So you check in here if you're preferred club, and there's always going to be snacks, tapas, breakfast items to grab, and a full bar, and your highest end liquors will be in here as well. So people often ask me, we'll give me some ideas. There's some of the top shelf stuff up there. So for example, somebody was in here last night and they ordered shots of tequila. Morning. Buenos dias. And they had Don Julio, which you could only get in the preferred club area. Activity boards. You'll see these throughout the property. Also channel 7 of your room, or the app. You can download the app, a World of Hyatt app as well. All right, still with me? It's a glorious, beautiful day in February here. The sun just came up about an hour ago. In the evening, this all is very active. Okay, there's more restaurants over here that we'll take a look into. Yeah, let's do that first. Lots of fun. Oh, quick sidebar. I've referenced this in other videos. Sorry if I'm making you dizzy. I don't have my tripod with me or my mic, so hopefully this is all going well on your end. You can see in here, but this rooftop on top of the Blue Water Grill is great for a private event space, for just definitely wedding receptions, corporate events. Okay. This is the only restaurant that requires reservations, and that's the Hibachi. Let's see if we can take a quick peek in here. Otherwise, all other restaurants are first come, first serve. So here's the Hibachi tables. So this can also accommodate small group seating if you're here with other families or wedding group or company. And so like last night, let's see, we ate at Portofino's, and it came about 7. That's prime dinner time, so there was a wait. No big deal. They just gave us a pager or a buzzer, and we just waited like 30 minutes, had some wine, hung out here. It was really nice. So this is also the outside part of Portofino's. They have wood fire pizzas. You can sit out here in the evenings or be seated in the restaurant. I don't think I'm gonna be able to get in there. It looks locked. This is the French restaurant. And I didn't get to eat here, but I've been to plenty of Dreams properties, and I've eaten at Bordeaux at other Dreams. And my favorite thing at this restaurant is the French onion soup. Fantastic. And then Oceana Seafood. This is open if you're preferred club for breakfast. We'll just take a quick peek in there. And again, you have to be preferred club to eat at this breakfast, and that's a la carte. So if you don't want buffet, that's another perk of preferred club. And we'll take a quick look at the water park as long as we're up here. So the property is actually, I've said this in other vlogs as well, it's like a horseshoe, and it's really compact, but there's so much stuff in it. It's kind of impressive how everything is laid out. All right, we're gonna take one look at the shows area where they do the big entertainment. I think this property is really good for like short stays. I've mentioned that before, especially for wedding groups. If you just want a quick in and out, 3 to 4 nights, and you have family groups for weddings, corporate leisure groups. Again, if you're doing families invited, great property for that. Quick note on the rooms. So all the junior suites look the same on the inside. It's going to be the amenities, locations, and views that change as you upgrade. So traditionally, like this is a preferred club ocean front. So my room is just right up there on the second to last floor. So again, that means direct ocean view, no obstructions. Partial ocean view means exactly that. So it might be on the side. You might have a partial ocean view with a tree or a pool or a building partially obstructing it. And then again, pool view, swim up, there's all kinds of categories here. So you definitely want to talk to us about that and what would work best for you. Hotel map. So they do have, oh, the spa. I can't video the spa. I took some pictures. Actually, I did take a very short video of the spa. You can see it in my photo gallery. The spa here is amazing. If you're a spa person, that is why you come here. They have a really cool cenote spa. The cenote isn't real, but it feels real. And really nice hydrotherapy. I'm not a spa person at all, to be quite honest with you, but I love hydrotherapy and I love the spa feel. So I just went in, I didn't do services, I just did hydrotherapy, and I absolutely loved it. So I can talk about that. You'll have to contact me if you want more information on the spa. If you do like services, fantastic spa for that. But right now we're looking at the space where they set up for the main shows. So this is kind of unique. First of all, sidebar. This is a fantastic private area for, again, corporate events, private events. bigger destination weddings groups. This is also going to be your rain backup for a wedding is in here. So the conference, this is the conference area behind me. But okay, so for the nightly shows, this is all full of seating here that they bring in, and then they have obviously the stage there. But what was really cool is they project kind of like a big movie screen on the back of this wall, and there's lights and everywhere, and DJ and big sounding music, and then it's just, you know, rooms that surround it, so people kind of come out, hang out, watch from up there as well. I don't know, it was just unique and it was different, and I really liked it. And you're under the stars, and it was really cool. So having that whole wall back there kind of turn into its own background with a projection screen and whatnot was super cool. I liked that. So convention space, that's a whole nother topic. If you're interested in that, you'll have to contact us, but huge spaces for conventions here, or small meetings. And we're going to end back up at the lobby. There's also a gym here, quite a nice gym. And here is Desires. This is turns into a nightclub. I don't think I can get in there right now. They're having meetings. Oh, I know what that is. We're not going to go in there. So that's the Desires, the nightclub, and they are I'm not going in there because vacation club. That is something you are flagged when you book under us to not be bothered by the vacation club timeshare sales pitch people here. But we can't always control that, so just know they're very aggressive, and you can contact us right away and we will shoo them away for you, because you do not want to spend your vacation time listening to timeshare pitches, no matter what they're offering you. And you can always do that when you get home if you're super interested in a timeshare. So talk to me more about that before you travel, if you want more information on more specifically what I'm referencing there. But there you have it. So wow, you're still with me. You watched this whole thing. Now you're an expert on Dreams Natura. If you would like to get yourself here for your vacation, great for multi-generation family vacations as well. And again, I recommend this for shorter stays. Contact me directly, or any of us at blissfulhoneyones.com if you want to know why I feel that way, and what will work best for you here at this property.